Do I say hi?
So today I'm going to introduce an amazing artist in this video.
Hi, my name's John.
This is one of the project, and look at that. You can see that motor?
I'm a draftsman.
There is something interesting inside as well. It is a coincidence, but we both are draftsmen.
I spend a lot of time drawing.
I used to make this kind of shit when I used to work in India. There is one receiver inside, so you can control this plane through remotes.
And I do artwork as well as drawing scale
Wow!
and other things.
You can see market में all भी planes मिलते हैं, like plastic one you can buy and उसे उड़ा दो, कोई बात नहीं. But this man is amazing. Like, he made his own, and all the plane he making is inspired from legendary planes.
And so those planes that I find extremely interesting for me, I just find out about them, research them a bit, and then I decide to make one. And complication is one of the considerations that I take into account. And I like certain planes challenge me to get through the scale and make something that's satisfactory for me.
Look at the plane. It's moving like that. There is a connection. उसे तुम remote से उड़ा सकते हो. Yeah. Isn't it crazy? And this all being made out of wood.
I like the look of it. It's got a good history. It's something that other people might like to look at, and so I pick them out and do them one at a time. So I've gotten a bit older now, and I have to change from being able to go out in the field and fly airplanes to spending more time here at the house and making stuff. And I want to do what I want to do for the first time. I want to just move on.
Okay, so Mr. John, what we going to do today?
Well, I'm going to explain how I managed to make these parts out of bits of balsa wood, and show you some of the things that I'm working on. This is the layered super solution. This model, it's a plane that did a racing plane from New York to San Francisco. Project that I'm going to show you is the layered super solution. This is the drawing of the plane, and this is where I start. So there you have.
Yep.
And I got that. Oops, that's no good for the video.
Yeah, it's fine. I've got it.
Okay. Transparent template stuck on the wood, and then I cut around that. So I do that for every part. Every part I have to cut, I put it on a piece of wood. I've just stuck that on there to demonstrate what's going on. Normally I'd pay attention to the lines and the texture of the board itself. I just cut the elevator out. It's a very rough cut. I'm going to shape it into an airfoil so that it's reasonably close to the desired shape, and that goes with sanding to a certain extent.
Look at that part. The shape of the wing, it is a elevator. It's called elevator, and he made a shape of the wood like that. You can see that.
Together to give you an idea of what the plane looks like. The bottom wing is not in the right place at the moment, but this is the layered super solution. It was Jimmy Doodle's transcontinental back in the golden age of flight. And this plane was a transition from wood airplanes to fabric airplanes. And there was only one of them built and flown. It was very successful. He set a record. And today, as of 2000, another replica has been made. The replica parts were made in Washington, and they were sent to Oshkosh to be assembled. So there's a second one that has been made in 2000, and it should be ready to fly sometime soon. I haven't heard. Or the senorita.
Oh my God.
Opportunity sometimes came along before the need.
In this plane, you have to pour the real fuel.
And then comes life. The town I was born
Marriage,
in was a logging
marriage,
town.
wow.
Children,
Yeah, responsibilities.
responsibility,
Yeah,
8 to 5.
8 to 5, yeah.
And it doesn't
company.
leave much time, or you don't have extra money to do
Do
those
things,
things.
yeah.
And the emphasis became more about what I want to do now, not what everybody else wants me to do.
That's the one.
So I try very hard,
Yeah.
and I certainly amuse myself doing my hobby. There were two things in my life that I discovered were essential. One was fishing for trout. What was the other one?